Hey, this is the LPS Girls and I'm doing a video contest. The video contest aims for inspiration and anything goes. The sign up is very simple. You just have to post it on YouTube, write the title and write for the LPS Girls for the contest at the title. And we have 10 prizes. 10 of those videos will be featured on my channel, and I will write what I love about it and other things. And the contest ends at July. And I hope you guys do everything you can and do the best. You guys are my fans and I love you guys. Oh, and please do not blackmail me or say rude things in the comments because I don't want other people to read it and say, "Whoa, this girl is bad." I don't want that. So, any of those things will be deleted immediately. So, I hope you guys do the best you can and you guys are all winners. Can't wait for your videos. Bye.